Welcome to the age of game changers, bold minds, visionary builders, digital disruptors, shaping the future of Africa and the world. Across the African continent, technology is more than transformation. It is liberation. It is the tool that breaks barriers, opens markets, and connects continents. And at the heart of this digital awakening stands Nigeria. With over 3,000 startups, a youth-powered workforce, and millions of mobile-first consumers, Nigeria has become Africa's digital powerhouse, a place where ideas become industries and code becomes capital. But innovation isn't just in boardrooms and garages, it's transforming governance too. Digital identity, blockchain-powered integrity, smart public systems. A new era of transparent, inclusive government is emerging. From megacities to remote villages, connectivity is a great equalizer. With over 200 million mobile users and 5G on the rise, Nigeria is laying the tracks for a truly digital future. Technology is rewriting what's possible. From the classroom to the clinic, from the farm to the fintech app, it's building a more inclusive, empowered, and innovative Nigeria. 70% of Nigerians are under 30, but they are more than digital natives. They are builders, leaders, and global competitors. The titans of tech are the game changers, those who challenge convention, build bridges to the future, and ignite Africa's rise through innovation. As the world watches, Nigeria rises. The future is not a distant dream, it is being built right here, right now. Welcome to the Titans of Tech Conference and Expo. Welcome to a celebration of game changers shaping the future of technology.